Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my another YouTube video. This video is about how to make different type of dry bamboo shoot. This is a requested video from my viewer. I actually wanted to do this video when I am available with a raw bamboo shoot, but I couldn't do that because I've been really busy with my schedule. Anyway, I'll try to explain you in very simple, easy and in detail so that you can understand it very easily. So let's get into the video. First, what you need is a raw bamboo shoot. Cut the upper tender portion and keep them separately. Then cut the bamboo shoot into required sizes you want. Bamboo shoot taste the best when they are very young, as the quality starts to decrease as the shoot grow and they also start to turn bitter. Because of the content of hydrocyanic acid, it gives bamboo shoot a bitter taste. Then after I'm done cutting them into required sizes I want, I'll go ahead with the first type of dry bamboo shoot, that is dried bamboo shoot from boiled bamboo shoots. Here I'm boiling the raw bamboo shoot with little bit of salt. Doing it so will reduce the bitterness of the bamboo shoot and we can directly fry it as a curry and then eat them. To make it a dry bamboo shoot, I have exposed them in sunlight and will leave them till it gets really dry and get dehydrated. Here is how it looks like after drying. This method of dry bamboo shoot will have leathery, chewy, mild taste. And to add in curries, I like to soak it in warm water. It tastes the best when we cook in chicken and pork curries. And the second type of dry bamboo shoot is dry bamboo shoot from raw bamboo shoot. If you are intending to make this in large quantities, then you will need a traditional pestle and mortar. Here I'll be using the small one just to show you an example. In case you don't have those big wooden traditional mortar and pestles, then you can DIY them yourself by using a steel baguette. Depending on your choices, you can crush the bamboo shoot either coarsely or into fine pieces. After crushing them, take out the paste and then squeeze out the excess water. If in large quantity, you will need a muslin cloth. Here we have just little, so I'll be using my hand to squeeze out the juice. Then store the juice in a separate container. Then after you are done squeezing out the water, take the bamboo shoot and then spread it in a thin layer in a plate or something where you want to dry them and expose it in the sun till you have your dry bamboo shoot. And you remember on the beginning of the video I asked you to keep the tender shoots separately. Yeah, you can cut them into required sizes you want and then dry them separately without crushing them. On this video I'm just showing you an example of how you can do it, so you can just listen to the explanation and then follow them yourself. I don't usually prefer this method of preparing dry bamboo shoot. This is quite a lengthy process, so we like to buy them directly from the market. But yeah, this is the process that they used to follow to prepare this kind of dry bamboo shoot. Or at least this is what I was told by my local friend. Do let me know if you try out this method of preparing dry bamboo shoot, or if you know about it, I would love to hear from you. You can also shred the raw bamboo shoot into pieces and dry them directly after squeezing out the water. This method is easier than pounding method, which requires a lot of energy. Then sun dry till it gets really dry. And the next method is dry bamboo shoot from fermented bamboo shoot. This method is really simple. All you have to do is take out the fermented bamboo shoot, squeeze out the excess water from it, and then dry them. Again, this is just to show you an example, so I'm using my hand to squeeze out the water, but you can use your muslin cloth if you are doing it in large quantities. I don't know if you can see the difference. The fermented one has turned a little bit of white, yellowish, and the raw bamboo shoot is white in color. See? Can you see the difference? These are the raw bamboo shoot, and this is the fermented one. After drying, it will look somewhat like this. They will all kind of look similar after drying, but will have distinctive flavors. Like the one that is fermented and dried will have a sour taste, whereas the one that we boiled and dried will have a leathery, chewy, mild taste. So yes, this is it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful to you. Do let me know on the comment section what kind of video that you would like to watch on my next upload. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.